Hey everybody, it's me, Miss Norris, and today we're going to do a short drawing activity called Yes You Can Draw a Pirate, because yes you can draw a pirate, and today I'm going to show you how in some very easy to follow steps. All you're going to need is something to write on. Today I'm going to be using my dry erase board, and something to write with. Today I'm going to be using my dry erase marker. If you are ready to get started, so am I, and let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is right in the middle of your paper, you're going to draw a capital E. You can do that. I know you can. And then at the top of your E, you're just going to take a line and make it go all the way back down to the floor. Now you can see that my lines in my E don't go all the way across, so I'm going to make sure that they do. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to turn our board on its side. I like to turn it this way. And using this line that's the top of our E, we're going to make a capital D. So you can trace it again if you like, down, and a D. Easy. Then we're going to turn our paper back up. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to give our pirate a cool eye patch. So let's turn our paper one more time, and right across the face, you're going to make a capital P. Did you see that? A long line with a circle on top, and you're going to color that in. Boom! Eye patch. Turn it back up. We need to give our guy another eye. So we're going to use a lowercase d. So we're going to start with a circle and its stem. And there's his very crazy eye. Now we're going to give our guy a little nose. Right in the middle, you're just going to make a little C. Let's give this guy a little eyeball. Just a little C. A little C. A little tiny one. And then we're going to turn our paper one more time and make another D. Because he's a yelling pirate bar. Now, he doesn't look like too much like a pirate yet. He has a good eye patch, but that's about it. So we're going to finish up his head up here. So right on the side, you're going to make a C. You with me so far? Then turn your paper, and on top of the C, make a capital M. This is going to help decorate our bandana that our pirate is wearing. I'm going to give my pirate's bandana some polka dots. So I'm just drawing some O's or some circles. We're getting closer and closer. Now, he needs some ears. So right on the side of his head, you're going to make a little C and a backwards C. Easy. Now, we have our head most of the way done. And now we need to work on our body. So in this big box that is still left over, you're going to divide it in half, just with a line. And it doesn't have to be perfect. So now you have his top and his bottom. Now, I'd like to give him some feet. So we're going to turn our paper again. And right at the bottom, you're going to make a capital B. Look, now he has some little pirate feet. I'm going to color those in. You can make your feet bigger or smaller. It just depends on how big you want to make your B. Then, to make his little arms, we're going to make a capital L and a backwards L. Now, at the end of each of his arms, we're going to make a letter C. And now I'm going to turn my paper upside down, because this part is hard upside down. On one of his hands, we're going to make a question mark. Did you see that? That's his little hook hand. And on his other hand, we're going to make We're going to turn it on its side and make a number 3. Boop, boop. It's hand. Now, we could be, I erased part of his feet. Now we could leave it like this. I like to give my pirate shirt some stripes, just like I decorated the bandana. Don't forget the sleeves. You could leave it like this. If you want your pirate to be a lady pirate, you can give it some curls with some little 6s and some 9s. It's up to you. You can have a girl pirate. You can have a boy pirate. It's really up to you and your imagination. You might want a boy pirate with lots of long curly hair. You might want to give your pirate a little beard stubble. Look at with some little polka dots. Oh, he's a tough pirate. Arrgh. Ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. This is how you make a pirate. I hope you really enjoyed making a pirate with me. I know I had fun making a pirate with you. And if you liked this video, hit that thumbs up button at the bottom of the screen. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on other fun, exciting content. See you next time. Bye.